want to. Wow, we went live really fast. I clicked the button and we went live right away. Wow, I am so good. Oh man. Alright, hold on, game. Stop. Why are you in such a rush? Dada is the first in the house! Well, strictly speaking, you are first, but McKnight was here earlier. But when the stream started, you were here first. Welcome, Dada! Oh my goodness. I am going to play Resident Evil 11. I haven't played this game in ages. My last attempt was... When was my last attempt? Last summer. Levy! Levy's in the house! My last attempt was this summer, and I failed. Mac Knight's here and Swabby's here. Hang on. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. I cannot do it properly. I cannot do it as good as you. God dang it. 3 good streamers at the same time. I know. Anyway, so I'm gonna play Resident Evil 3 Nemesis today as part of my Resident Evil month. And new game. Easy mode. Sorry. Noob mode. If I ever made a game, I would call easy mode noob mode. Shh.
It all began as an ordinary
Oh, give me
day
feedback
in
on the sound, by the way. If
An
it's too
ordinary
loud or
day
too
in
quiet.
Raccoon City, a city controlled by Umbrella. No one dared to oppose them, and that lack of strength would ultimately lead to their destruction. I suppose they had to suffer the consequences of their actions, but there would be no forgiveness. If only they had had the courage to fight. It's true that once the wheels of justice begin to turn, nothing can stop them. Nothing. It was Raccoon City's last chance, and my last chance. My last escape.
This is Chopper Delta, preparing to drop off at area E95070.
What are they?
Best cutscene ever. And we're back. I like to stay quiet, but I couldn't keep my mouth shut during that cutscene when it was like the awesomest cutscene in the world. Anyway, so. Hello, Donovan. Welcome. Welcome. I start with a machine gun. That's nice. But I'm gonna conserve ammo. Come on, drop. Seriously. Feels like I need to add the frames per second now for some reason. It's like I have to play around with these. I don't know why, but 55 perhaps? Now let's see.
September 28th, daylight. The monsters have overtaken the city. Somehow, I'm still alive.
Okay, we've got to get out of here.
What? What do you think you're talking about? I just lost my daughter out there. How dare you tell me to go back outside?
I'm sorry about your daughter, but there isn't gonna be any rescue. We have to get out of here.
No! I'm not going anywhere. I'd rather starve to death in here than be eaten by one of those undead monsters. Now leave me alone!
Regarding this guy closing the shutters or doors, whatever. He died this week, actually, the guy who voiced him. Let's listen to him one last time.
I told you. I'm not leaving. Never!
Yeah, he died. He died this week. He also voices Nemesis, by the way, so he's the same voice of Nemesis. It's sad. But that's life, I guess. Yes, it is called Mad Jackal. That's right. It's called Mad Jackal. I was hoping... Nothing useful. I thought there would be something in here. Never mind. I was hoping that Sailor Mars wouldn't see the fact that I chose easy mode, because otherwise she would be mocking me that I chose easy mode. But she did, because she just tweeted it. Thank you so much, Mars. I appreciate that. Oh man, but I haven't played this game in like a decade, I think. I attempted it this summer on stream and it didn't go well. I died with that worm. The worm killed me. Wow, it feels like it's too easy now. They gave me a machine gun and I have all these sprays. Oh, look at this, it's so easy. Oh man, look at this. Oh man, I didn't know this. I forgot. Look at all the good stuff I got. I had no idea, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh well. Actually, I don't even need this. Daria Rosso? Yes, Daria Rosso, that's right. Yeah, Vara, please don't mention it. I chose easy because I got intimidated by the fact that I died because of the worm. Hold on. No weapons. I'm gonna do it no weapons. Oh, look at that. It's kinda bugged, I guess. Alright, it's kinda bugged. And then it comes back. No? Wow. Alright, it's kinda bugged apparently. Let's go. Yeah, I got intimidated by the fact that I died in such a stupid way last time I streamed it. I didn't manage to finish this, so this is like revenge. Speaking of mercenaries and Operation Mad Jackal, I downloaded a bunch of what are they called? Fan-made Resident Evil games, and they are so good. You can restart, it's not too late. Really? Really? Should I restart? What's the vote? Should I restart? Should I restart? If you guys tell me to restart, I will restart. Let's see what the popular vote is. Varo says I should restart. Or should I just keep going now? If you doubt that I cannot make this... Emily retweeted me. Thank you so much. Shame on you, Vloggy Easy Buddy. There you go. There she is. There she is. Restart. No, only Vara said restart. I'm sorry. Only Vara said saying that I should restart. I'm gonna continue. Only Vara. Hold on. Come on, zombies. Don't be shy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Turbo zombies! It's too late now. Keep going. You see, I figured it's too late. That was my idea. That was too late, you know, to restart now. Already made it this far. Please don't die in this mode. I won't die for you, Mac Knight. I won't die for you. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Jill always be running around and shooting zombies in a short skirt. I know, right? I think, this is not what a mercenary should dress up as. Mercenary, well, whatever, STARS member, whatever she wants to be called. I think she dresses a bit skankishly. Come on, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Is the audio okay? Is the game too loud or is it too quiet? Let me know. I'm very, very, what's the word? What's the word? I'm very obsessed. Let's just say obsessed. Ah! God dang it. No time to dodge. There's no auto-aim. I thought there was auto-aim. There isn't, apparently. Alright, I need to fix that, though. It's annoying that I don't have auto-aim. I want to make sure that I don't die. So I'm going to pick up the herbages up here. Sweet, sweet herbage. Oh, guys, I designed a shirt that says sweet, sweet herbage. It's so good. I love it. The game is a bit low on volume. That's good to know. That's good to know. I'm going to increase it by a little bit. There we go. Let me know. Let me know if it's better or too loud now. Let me know. Let me know. She's getting ready for Nemi. Faro. Anyway, what was I saying? About... Ooh, zombie, come. Come get this. Come get this. So, what was I saying? I forgot. I forgot what was I saying. I got distracted by so many things. Can I dodge these guys? It's a bit hard. Or can I? Or can I? Or can I? Ah, yes, I wanted to fix the auto-aim. I did it. So good. So good.
Get away!
I used to love doing this. Look. Hold on. I used to love doing this. It doesn't cause any damage. It's just for fun.
Brad, hang in there. Why isn't someone doing something about this?
Memory
You're
loss.
still
Yeah,
alive,
no.
Jill.
It's whiskey.
The police aren't
Lost.
trained for this
What?
kind of situation. What could they do? Listen, he's coming for us. We're both gonna
Die.
What are
I
you
wanted to fix.
saying?
I know what was I gonna
You'll
do. I
see.
was going to fix the auto-aim.
He's after STARS members. There's no
Zombie
escape.
kiss. That's right. Alright, so I pick up the herb, whatever. I was saying about the shirt. I designed such a great shirt with 3 herbs, a green, a red, and a blue, and it says sweet, sweet herbage. Hey Eric, welcome. There's handgun ammo on the right. Yeah, because I need a lot of ammo. Combine with the invisible lighter, apparently. Oh wow, look at that. It's not updating. Something's not right. Oops, I used an herb by mistake. Oopsie. I love this picture. I'm gonna pick it up. Look at that. The game is messed up. The ROM is not well. Are you okay, ROM? I'm gonna pick them up only because Levi said so. I think if I exit the room, the inventory will come back to normal. I think. What am I? What was I doing? Zombies are still here or they're gone? They're gone. How interesting. Oh, he's here. He's here. Oopsie daisy. You'd never catch me, sucker. The cake is a lie. Now then. What the? I thought I had enough time to... I guess not. Jill Gomez, welcome! How are you? Come on. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Say cheese. Uh-oh, no! That's so funny. Where am I playing this game? At home. Why? I'm gonna... You see, it came back to normal now. Red herb, combine this. It's weird. The ROM is not working perfectly well. If this keeps up, next time I'll stream it through the PlayStation, because this is the GameCube emulator. The frames sometimes are going up to 110%, sometimes they drop to 80%. And it's like I have to keep changing. Stupid, stupid. Doggy! Doggy! You'd never catch me, doggy! Is the game lagging? I'm on mobile. Yes, it is lagging a little bit. Yes, it is lagging a little bit. I could increase the freaking speed, but then the cutscenes would be too fast. Look at this. DSP settings, general. Look, I can increase that to what? 60 frames per second, limit frames per second. Is it gonna be too fast now? Look at this now. Feels like it's too fast, eh? Feels like it's too fast. And the audio is acting up. Hold on. Audio. It's annoying. It's I think run at 50 frames per second. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna leave it at 55 for now. We'll see how it goes. But then during the cutscenes it gets really super fast. That's the thing. What is this? Green herb? No. Handgun bullets. What is this? This is empty. This is an empty slot. It's confusing. Green herb. I don't need it. Go in there. And I don't need you for now, I think. What else do I need? What do I need in the police station? Do I need the lighter? I'm confused. It feels like I need the lighter for some reason. I don't know. I am so green at this game. It's nice forgetting about the game and then re-experiencing it like it's new. I like that. Let's go. Okay, Emily. Take your time. I always thought this was a Golf. Volkswagen Golf. I don't know why. Looks like it. I don't know. Let's see the cutscene now. It's running at 110 frames per second, more or less. Let's see. Also, you love blinders. It's a semi-blind. I forgot this game. I mean, I know what to do, but most of the things I forgot.
Jill!
Brad!
We've got to...
It does feel faster, doesn't it? It's running at 110 frames per second. Stars. To me, the best Nemesis voice is his. The one in Operation Raccoon City and the one in Umbrella Chronicles Enter the Police Station. I'm gonna leave as it is, speed-wise. It is slightly faster, the cutscene, but it's fine. I don't mind it. It's okay. If anything, it feels smoother. I'm gonna pick those up. This is one thing I cannot explain. How are these nailed shut? How are these nailed shut? Who did this? And how did it get unnailed shut? By the time Leon and Claire got here. It's weird. It's weird. Not to mention that there was also The hole. I like this. It's too dangerous to open the door. I like these things. Checking stuff again. As if it was my first. Why fight? You get nothing from them unless it's on easy mode. Right. Shh, shh. Mars, shh. Nobody knows that it's on easy mode. Come on. Shh, 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 shh. Keep it to yourself. Shh. I regret going on easy mode, honestly. I got intimidated the last time I played it. Because I died in a very ridiculous way. But that's the thing. I regret doing it, really. But it's fine now. It's fine. If you're not happy with my easy run, next time I'll do another one. Nobody here. Nobody here. Someone's made quite a mess in here. Dodging zombies because I don't have enough ammo. Look at you. Dying here like a boss. Just saying title to obvious before I head to bed. Oh, you're heading to bed. Thank you so much for hanging out. Sailor Mars. Ooh, GG, Mr. Zombie. GG. Well, here's what we're gonna do now. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. No! Oh, you can still do it in Resident Evil 3, I forgot. Blow their heads off like that. I like that. I like it a lot. Oops, wow, barely made it. Yes, Mac Knight, for shizzle. For shizzle man nizzle. There's a password here or something. Oh, the gem. But I can't get any more items. That's fine. There's a password here, eh? I don't know the combinations, so... What? I said quit. Naked. It will be a naked stream. It will be a naked stream, it's fine. But the camera will be switched off. 4:22 AM, wow. Okay, Mars. Take care. Say cheese. Ah! Nice. GG, Mr. Zomb. Oh, come on. There we go. Samurai Cheryl's in the house. There you go. A little song for you. Vlog, the only part where you can die is probably Nemesis's fight after he infects Jill, since you can't see the health bar. You can't see what health bar? Oh yeah, that's right. It's true. It's true. Well, I mean, it's not even a challenge. You know what killed me? The worm last time I played this game, last summer. I have to admit, I had a few drinks in my head, so that's that. But yeah, I got intimidated then. But yeah, that's why I went for easy mode. I was worried, but now I'm regretting it because it's too easy. It's too easy, I have to admit. Shotgun. No. Green herb goes in there. This is another green herb. Go in there as well. And even you go in there. It's such a mess. The inventory is a mess. Mix powders. Yeah, I will. X-Powders makes freeze rounds. Yes, yes, I will make freeze rounds eventually. Do I have a grenade launcher? I never noticed if I have a grenade launcher in the box as well. Did I get one of those? I don't see a grenade launcher. No, I don't have a grenade launcher, so my only hope is to get one from the locker upstairs. Let's go find out. That glitch, yeah, it's annoying. Good times, remember, please have your tweet. Thank you so much, Sailor Mars. Thank you so much, I appreciate that. But it's true, listen to Mars. Listen to Mars. Yeah, the glitch is annoying, actually. And I had the same glitch last time I played that I remember. But it's fine. I remember I crapped my pants. When I saw a zombie up here, I'm like, oh, that's fine. I'm just gonna stay here. And I'm gonna easily shoot them from up here. And then I see them going down the stairs. Like, what? Zombies can go down the stairs now? Like, no. Oh, they're gonna kill me. You see? You see now? This really terrified me when I played it the first time. Like, what? Should there be a fat zombie here somewhere as well. I think it's RNG really. I don't think he'll always be here. Let's see. Oh, yes, there he is! A hungry one too. Oh, I'm injured. Where's the statues that I need to push? Where's the gem that I need to take? So funny, eh? Because I used to abuse the fact that zombies can't go down the stairs. Oh, what? 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 Here, the stars get one. What? What? Hold on, hold on, hold on. You see, I'm forgetting. Where is it? Uh-oh, new moment. I don't know. I don't know. I honestly don't know. I told you it's quite of a kind of a blind run. Let's look around. It's annoying me the fact that she's limping. Let's go. They weren't zombies. I was annoyed that they weren't zombies. They were actually people who spoke, used weapons. Nah. That's why I hated Resident Evil 4 so much. For such a long time. Now, I'm enjoying it. I am enjoying it, but I feel like 4, 5, and 6 aren't Resident Evil games. They are spin-offs. Spin-offs, I tell you. This way? Funnily enough, wow, I forgot there's zombie dogs here. Wow. I need to give. I need to do the. Hold on, hold on. The key is in the room where you get the blue gem to get the combination to the key. Where did I get the blue gem? Oh, there it is. There it is. Gotcha. Stars card. Usually there's ammo in Resident Evil 2 here, so I got confused. Spun-offs. Hey Ahmed, welcome. Hello Philip, welcome. Nice to have you. Oh. For those of you that don't know, I'm currently doing a Biohazard month where I'm playing all I use that term loosely, I'm trying to play all the Resident Evil games this month before Resident Evil 7 comes out. We will see. We shall see. Oh, I did a nice thumbnail for Resident Evil 7, finally. Finally. I did a very nice thumbnail, if I do say so myself. There was an artist on YouTube who was designing, he was making some lovely designs, Resident Evil designs, and he made a very nice great artwork for Resident Evil 7. And I messaged him, I'm like, listen, you mind if I use this as my thumbnail for Resident Evil 7? And he goes, please understand, no. And I'm like, that's fine. That's fine, no problem. He said, he has like, what, 500 subs? I told him I'll give you a shout out and stuff, and he's like, no. I'm like, okay, fine. So I really struggled to find a nice thumbnail, but now I made one myself and it looks so good. I can't wait to use it. Not that thumbnails really matter when it comes to streaming. If you go to gaming.youtube.com, okay, and you'll see the top streams, the thumbnails are awful. Oh, doesn't work like this. So let's memorize the 0131, 0131, 0131, 0131, 0131, 0131, 0131, 0131, 0131. Thank you, Varo. That's what I needed. I was actually gonna type it myself in chat. Thank you. Thank you. Who's up? Who's up? Hold on, hold on, hold on. I need to thank you. Thank you, Ahmed, for the sub. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Oh, 131, 131. You guys are awesome. Let's do this. Is it 2236? What did we say? 2236? Oh, 131. Actually, I set up a bunch of Nightbot commands for Resident Evil 3 puzzles. You're gonna see them very soon. You're gonna see them very soon. So I got the key. I can't wait for Resident Evil 2 Remake. I can't wait to see what the police station is gonna be like. Please, Capcom, all I want is just an image. I'll be happy with just an image or two. I don't even need gameplay video, just an image or two to see what it looks like. That's it. I'll be happy with an image. Using the key. Come on. You no longer need this key. Okay, fine. Oh, this way. Lockpick. Okay, I think we're done here. Oh, another Magnum.
No! Come anyone! Our platoon is cut off! No survivors found! This is Carlos! Send in support immediately!
Another Manium! Get down! Manium. I said it Italian. That's what they call Magnum in Italian. Manium. Another Manium! Get down! Oh man, I got another Magnum. Now, if Levy will be here by the time I get to the... Because he knows the game. Unless somebody else knows. How to open the other shutter. You know how there's two shutters in the game? Ah, he's here. Levy's here. The image will appear because they won't overshadow it. Exactly. Exactly, Levy. I agree. That's... it's all marketing. It's all marketing campaigns. Exactly. If they promoted Resident Evil 2 Remake... Alright, at any point before Resident Evil 7, people will get distracted, alienated from Resident Evil 7 to Resident Evil 2 Remake. People want Resident Evil 2 Remake more than they want Resident Evil 7. Look at the comments in their videos, on their YouTubes. Look at that, and you'll see. Anyway, my point is, if Levy's gonna be around by the time I have those shutters, you know, where you open those two shutters with electricity. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1, run! I would love to fight him. I have a lot of weapons, but... One for both hands. Exactly. Alright, make a run for it. Buddy, run! Oh, he's fast. He's not gonna get me in the main hall though, eh? But he will chase me around for a while. No orbs. Even this stuff here. Who got rid of it? Who cleaned up the area before Leon and Claire showed up? And the barricades over here as well. Who did this? Interesting. Anyway. He's wrong. Is he gonna chase me here as well? Sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't. It's all about RNG. I guess not. Let's go. Let's go. Because lately they've been saying I sound like Mario on my streams. Fine. So many herbages. So yeah, speaking of herbages, I will show you the shirt once I print it and wear it. Oh! Fine. He used to scare me at first, yeah, but it doesn't scare me anymore. Nah, he doesn't do that anymore. Now, ooh, zombie dogs. Zombie dogs. I was gonna say zombies, no, but zombie dogs. Ah! Ooh, nice. Now then, let's reorganize. Red herbages. Go there. Go there. Go there. Oh man, look at the mess. I can't. Off. Everybody hates nemesis. Alright, let's go. Once I get out of the room and come back, the inventory will come back to normal, look. Ah, good one. There we go. No, I hate these so much. Should I bother? I should probably go away. I shouldn't have bother with this guy. There we go. I hate those more than I hate the nemesis, actually. Now then, which way? This way, probably. Oh no, I need the lockpick to open this. Ah, I have it. I forgot I had it on me. Let's go. So confusing.
What's that?
Calm down, lady.
Calm down, lady. I'm no zombie. My name's Carlos, Corporal of Umbrella's Biohazard Countermeasure Force. What's your name?
Jill, did you just say you belong to Umbrella's army?
Yeah, we came all the way out here to save you civilians, but the mission went bad the minute we landed.
Wait
Hide in the kitchen. No. Yes, hide in the kitchen.
Over here!
Are you crazy? You could have barbecued both of us.
Is there anything down there that I would need to get? I forgot. I forgot if there's anything down there that I need. Probably, eh? Yeah, probably has something. No! No! Really? So down here is completely pointless. Interesting. It's pointless down here. So stupid. Alright, no, Lemons is gonna be up by the time I go up. There we go. He got me, huh?
I need to ask you something. Why did Umbrella send your team here?
Our mission is to rescue the civilians.
How kind of you. Considering Umbrella caused all this in the first place, those liars!
Look, we're just mercenaries, hired hands. No time for talking. If you can believe me, then join us. Think about it.
Think about it! Jolien, welcome! I'm playing some RE3 today. He's following me again. Sucker. Let's organize our inventory real quick. I have a crank. There's some shotgun shells as well. I'll take them, thank you very much. I hate how broken the menu is. Alright, so, I don't need the card anymore. He is sneaky. I don't need... Whoa, I don't need this. Do I need the crank right now? Not so sure, though. What about the thing? I'm gonna replace this with... Hold on a sec. Didn't I pick up a jewel? I thought I did. Oh no. I thought I picked up a red jewel or blue jewel or something. Didn't I? Did I miss it? Oh man. I feel like I did. We'll see. I feel like I missed it. We'll see. Oh, come on, seriously? He keeps chasing me! The music is fantastic. You sure did. You sure did. Let's go. Get up there. I think I forgot the jewel. I need to go back for it. We'll see. Hey, Dr. Doom! Yes, I'm back. And so are you. Welcome. Nice to see you. Something I need to pick up from here. Is that it? Oh! I'm gonna get bit. 1, 2. Anything else I might need from here? There's a picture. Never mind. Another picture here. Let's go. Oh, come on, seriously? Oh, man. I think I have to go back to the police station. I forgot the jewel. I thought I picked it up, but again, the confusing inventory screen is messing me up. There we go. We're missing one. Let's go back to the police station. Like a noob. Let's go. I think today's stream is going to be a bit shorter. I think this game is not going to last 6 hours. I'm trying to make it a point to stream always for 6 hours or more. But this game is not going to be long enough. Oh, I forgot to pick these up as well. I'll need these. Wow, it's such a long way back. I forgot how long the walk is. Oh well. Ooh. Run, 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 run. Who made it out? How stupid that I had to come back all the way here again. There it is. My inventory was full and I thought I picked it up. I have a long walk back again. Whew. You know what? Never mind. I was gonna shoot him, but what? No, 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 no! The bomb, the thing. No! My bad. Hold on. You know what? That's one. That's two. Sweet, sweet herbage. Wow, I'm still injured. Hey, Drew. Welcome. There we go. Fine. All good now. At least I know what I'm doing for now. For now. Wow. Can I do this? No, it didn't work. Two of them! Wow! Now we're gonna go this way. This way. Oh, come on, really? There we go. The arcade chops, that's what it says. Wow, that was a long mission to obtain this jewel. I just remembered I need to get the... Yeah, wow, I'm remembering stuff. Wow. Hold on. No, wait. Well, might as well. Now I have to go this way. Look, it's a DeLorean. A Back to the Future DeLorean. So cool. It's gone now. That was good. Oh. No. Doesn't work. Let's do this.
You're one of the survivors from the rescue team, right? I just ran into your teammate, Carlos.
How did a girl like you manage to survive?
Hey, I'm no ordinary civvy. I'm a member of STARS.
Stars? You mean the RPD Special Force Team?
Hey, is someone wounded back there?
How did a girl like you manage to survive?
Oh, this looks bad.
They're coming. Get ready. Fire. Fire. Stay together.
Calm down. You're safe now. Everything is gonna be okay.
So, Jill, did you decide to help us out?
No,
It looks
we can't
like we're
trust
the
her.
only ones who survived. We should work together.
No, we can't trust her.
Why? But Sergeant, we need her help. Our unit's down to you, me, and Lieutenant Mikhail. That's it. And Mikhail's hurt bad. If we don't cooperate, we won't be walking away from this mission.
Fine. Then let's go over our plan. We're moving to the clock tower area, which is the designated landing zone for the extraction chopper. Once we get there and give the signal, the chopper will fly in and pull us out.
That's a lot of ground to cover. I don't think we can make it on foot.
The main problem we have is that the landing zone is cut off from here by the fire. So we have no choice but to use this cable car to navigate through it. Fortunately, we can also use it as a moving shield to get us through the worst areas.
That works for me. Good plan, sir.
Okay, people, let's get moving.
Jill, put this on.
Let's go. Did I get more slots? I think I did. I pick this up. And we're out. Let's pick this up as well. All right. You're done? I didn't trust you. You're dead. Okay. I'm full, eh? Here's what I'm gonna do. Let's go.
Jill! Hey, the zombies are getting restless.
I know. I can hear them. What's going on?
I only have one empty slot, so... what do I do? Do I combine these?
Jill!
What's wrong?
They're coming! They must have sniffed us out. They know we're here.
Hey, calm down.
Any objections to my playing hero this time?
What are you doing? Carlos!
I hate this puzzle. Okay, let's go. I don't know how I do this. I have no idea how I do this.
Relax. I'm not dead yet.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. That hero stuff is harder than it looks.
Let's go.
Ouch, my ears are ringing. We both should be deaf by now. Okay, I'm gonna scrounge up some equipment. There might not be any at our destination.
Let's go. I'm full. Still have to come back. So, I'm gonna combine a few things, huh? I'm gonna combine a few things so I can manage. I need this. I don't need this for now. So, if I take out... We've got A, we've got B. Hang on. I'm so confused. Combine. I got C. Alright. That's what I need, C. That's it for now. Okay. What, McKnight? What? Oh man, more of these. Can I dodge? Can I dodge? Like a pro. I'm gonna do this. I'm expecting the glass to break and Crow's coming out. One day it's gonna happen. One day. Now go replace it. Yes, that's what I'm gonna try to make. It's with C's, yes? C's are ice grenades. Ice rounds or whatever they're called. Freeze rounds. They're called freeze rounds. It's with C's. Those are for Nemi. Okay, I kill you now. He's dead. You're done? Oh man. Let's go. So I put this here. I take this. And I'll take this. Going back. There they are. Oh, it's sometimes it's crows, sometimes it's dogs. It changes. We're good. This game is king of RNGs. Yes, and it's the king of RNGs when it comes to puzzles. That's what I hate the most. Not zombie generation or where they generate or what kind of enemies they the puzzles. Sometimes there's like 4 or 5 different combinations, even 7, I think, combinations. And that annoys me. So now I set up some Nightbot commands to help me with certain puzzles, but not the coming puzzle. I don't know this one. Come on. Oopsie. Oopsie. Run, run, run. Run, 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 run. Oh, look at him. Look at him trying to block me. Oh, nice. Hold on, hold on. Oh, come on. Seriously? Oh, come on. No. Did you see that? He blocked my way. Interesting. The upcoming puzzle, I don't know the solution. In certain areas, the game goes slow. It's down to 86% now. Oh, come on! Alright, that does it. Something up for nothing. Oh, of course. Look at that, look at that. It's reloaded now. Now one of them is locked. I'm not so sure if it's this one. Yeah, this one. So I never played a Silent Hill game. There are so many games that I've never played, like franchises that I've never tried in my life. Silent Hill, I never played the Silent Hill game in my life. What else? I never played a Metal Gear game in my life. I never played a Legend of Zelda game in my life. There's so many franchises I've never tried. I don't have the time. Okay, now I need to open this door. 115, 125, 115, 125. How do I do this? I forgot. Can I combine these? Not so sure. I'm not so sure. So, I need to open this one first to get the grenade launcher. The next puzzle solution: red, blue, blue, and red, 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 blue. Okay, I need to open this one first because apparently it triggers the zombies. I think, does it? Or I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna do the first one. What's this puzzle called? This puzzle called, there's a transformer that supplies power to the facility. You know what I'm gonna do, Levy? I'm gonna use that last thing you said, and I'm gonna add it as a command for Nightbot for next time. Assuming they're correct. I'm just gonna assume you're correct. Com, and we're gonna call it RE3 transformer. RE3 transformer, and we're gonna do it like that. Red, red, blue, 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 and red, 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 blue. Alright, I think I added the command. Let's see. Alright, let's test it out just to make sure. So, RE3 transformer. Just make sure that works, that's all. Transformer. I wrote it correctly, yes? Anyway, let's do this. There it is, okay. I'm gonna do the first one now. Red, blue, blue, red, blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue, blue. Red, blue. There we go. We opened this shutter first. Actually, it doesn't matter which one I use. Look, I can actually do them both. And the second one is red, 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 blue. And there we go. Yeah, we'll do the electricity. Yeah, to kill them. To pop their heads. There it is. Oh, my life is complete. They came in, you see? Now we'll use the electricity, yes. I thought I would be forced outside. The thing is, you have to put those combinations before the... Exactly. Exactly. That's what I wanted to do. Hello, Hunter Zolomon. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you. Exactly. Because the second combination changes. Exactly. So I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go get the oil. It's the oil here. No, it's the transformer fuse. Okay. We're done with that. And we can go out. I think Nemi's gonna be outside now. Again, RNG. Sometimes he's outside with a rocket launcher shooting zombies. Sometimes it's like that, sometimes it's not. We'll see. No, it's not. Ah, when I got out of this door, sometimes it happens. I don't know. Now then, we're gonna go to get the fire hydrant? No. Aha, we're gonna get a valve or something? I think so. These guys. Oh, I got 2 rounds left. I need to be careful. Make them count, buddy. Make them count. 1. This way. This way. Oh, more of these. Thank you, Ahmed. Somebody was shooting him, apparently. Look at that zombie. He was on the floor. The next puzzle is the clock. Yes, I have that on Nightbot already, so... Whew. And it's like, there's like 7 combinations. Let me show you, Levy. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. Hold on. I think I named this puzzle RE3 clock. Look. Yeah, you can dodge enemies in this one, yeah. But I haven't played this in I think a decade. There it is. You see the puzzle? I know it doesn't make sense, but I understand what it means. Oh, I can use... Alright, let me do this real quick. I don't need the fuse for now, so I'm gonna put it... The oil is there. Okay. So, look at the things teleporting. The grenade launcher, I'm not gonna need it for now. So I have this and I have this. I'm gonna see if I can combine them. But I'm gonna exit because they're messed up. I don't think the commands works. I don't think it works. Hold on. Combine. No, BB and AA, it doesn't work. God dang it. Oh man. No, I got CS. Oh, I thought I was gonna get C's. I thought I was gonna get C's with AA and BB. Doesn't work like that. It's BBA or AAB. But I want to make ice rounds, that's the thing. Did I get rid of them? No, they're still here. Oh, I cannot combine them as they are. Can I combine CNC? What do I get if I do a CNC? Oh, I don't want to risk it. I want to try, hold on. Combine. Oh, grenade rounds! Oh, I wanted to make... You can only combine B and C with A or... I thought the C's make the ice rounds. Ah, oh, man! Oh, I got confused. What makes ice rounds then? I'm confused. I made grenade. To make C with C, I need to make two CCs. Oh, man! That's fine. I got another C. C is for cookie. What I'm gonna do... I'm gonna make some herbage real quick. I knew all these things, I forgot everything. I'm so stupid. C plus C makes freeze rounds. To put a C... Or put a C powder with grenades. Oh, I can do that! Oh! Come back. Alright, even Levy said so. Okay, that's good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Look, it's gonna happen, look. Oh, thank you so much. That saved my life. I have 12. I need more. I need to make more. That's fine. Alright then. Oh yeah, I was gonna get some shotgun shells as well. Do I have any shotgun shells? No? Oof. You think? Alright, let's go. I feel like a noob playing this game. But it's nice to re-experience the game again. I like that. Do I have the... Yes, I do. Ah, Should I pick it up? Yes. I've been wondering what I should play next after this one now, to continue my Biohazard month. Do I play Code Veronica, or do I play Resident Evil 4? B. With grenade makes acids, good for the worm. Oh, that's good to know. The weakest are flames. Ooh, interesting. Okay, good to know. Thank you, Levy. You always save my life. The worm is what killed me last time. No, doggy. No, doggy. As the actual sequel, I understand. Yes, I'm gonna play Code Veronica. I'm gonna be such a noob playing that one. Oh my goodness, I've never finished that game, never. So you can imagine how much I'm gonna suck at that one. I don't know what to do in that game. Nothing. At least this, I haven't played it in years, but at least I still know what to do more or less. But Code Veronica, oof, it's gonna take me an all-nighter, huh? Definitely. I might do it tomorrow. Depends how tired I'm gonna be by the end of the day. We shall see. But it's gonna take me a full 6 to 8 hours. Definitely. I don't mind. There it is. Oh. Hold on a sec. Has to be another one somewhere. So Code Veronica's next, definitely.
Wait!
He was as good as dead.
What did you do?
I had no choice. He was about to turn into a zombie. It would have been a threat, so I eliminated it.
But he was still conscious, wasn't he?
He was as good as dead. And it took fewer bullets to kill him now than it would have if he had transformed.
Here's the thing. Okay, here's the thing. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. As you guys know, there is a difference between the graphics in the PlayStation version and the GameCube version. I'm playing the GameCube version, for those of you that didn't realize. The game looks much better right now. Because I'm playing on the GameCube. On the PlayStation it's more pixely. I don't know if you guys noticed, but anyway. I only realized this when I played it on the GameCube. He's actually holding a laptop. I couldn't see that.
Not now, I'm busy.
Not now, I'm busy. But I couldn't see that it was a laptop. On the PlayStation version, you cannot tell it's a laptop. It looks like a case full of pills or something. Honestly, I thought he was picking up some stuff and putting them in the case or something. But it looks so clear that it's a laptop this time. Nikolai is examining the mercenary using his PC. Oh, it does say it! It says so here. Oh my goodness. Anyway, but I guess I never clicked it to see what he says using his PC. I never realized it looked like a laptop though. Anyway, vlog afraid today, but I won't be much of help. I barely know code. Me neither, Levy. But that's the fun. That's the fun. We're gonna find out. We'll have Wesker backseating me probably. Alright, I'm gonna take a guess at these passwords. I'm gonna try Saf Sprint. Saf. No. Try again. Aqua Cure? No. What's the other one? What's the other one? Saspin Aqua Cure? Adravil. Adravil? Am I making these up? Oh man. I still remember the names. It had to be my last guess. Adravil, exactly. There's another cutscene that is Carlos that killed the mercenary and not Nikolai. Seriously? I don't think I remember that. And I don't understand why Umbrella has something against QWERTY keyboards. If you play a Resident Evil game, any Resident Evil game, and you access Umbrella Labs, it's always no QWERTY keyboards. I don't get that. And we got more. Oh, I thought there was more. I thought there would be more. Ammo making ABCs. They're not here apparently. Ah well, let's go. Oil additive. I love this scene. Oh, I remember that. Yes, I remember it, Levi. Now I do. Yes. He goes, no! And he shoots him. Yes, I remember it. Yes. He goes, kill me! Something like that, yeah? I have a recollection. This is intended to save some ammo, but apparently they decide to change their direction. Like, oh, this girl knows what she's doing. Let's get out of here. Look at their faces. Look at their faces, how detailed they are. They're not that... Oh, look at this guy. Like, I'm gonna make a run for it. There's another pipe. Another pipe! Another pipe! Their faces are so detailed when you compare them to the PS version. Another pipe! Get down! Look how effective that is. And that's the real thing that happens because the CGI cutscene Nikolai doesn't appear. It's true. Oh. Uh-oh. Let's go. I think we're done here though. I don't know why I'm shooting them actually. There's nothing here. His laptop's broken. I think there's another one here as well. Out. And we're done from here as well. Hang on, I just realized we got everything. We can leave. Sometimes Nemesis generates here. Sometimes you get Nemesis here. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. Again, RNG. No? No, Nemi? No? Yes, I know. You see? I think no. I think it always generates here. I think it's not RNG. Bye. Bye. Have a great time. Now go back to see Dario's fate. Wait, who's Dario? I stayed there for a little bit to see if he kills the zombie dogs, but apparently no. He's gonna chase me here as well. Yes, he is. Hang on. Hang on, maybe I can do this. Oh, I didn't get it. I tried. I tried. Really? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna use this. Let's keep running. Oh, so with this guy you get 3 boxes of grenades. Where? Oh my goodness. I forget so much. There's gonna be the worm here. No. Oh yes. There we go. The ground is shaking. It just stands there like, what's going on? And out we go. Alright, let's get all the ingredients and let's get out of here. So, the oil additive, and I have the machine oil and the fuse. And combine. There we go. I think we're good. Back where you dodge 3 zombies right before Brad fight against the zombie. Oh really? Oh. Ah well. Whoa! Oh, I remember. Yes, I remember. Oh, I remember. Yes. That's a long way back. I know where. I just remembered. There's a little shutter thing. Yes. Now where do I go? Here. The cable of the battery. Yes, I already placed it. Yes. I got it and I placed it. Grenades at the police car. Back there. I'm gonna go check. That's not too far away. I'm gonna go check. Hold on. I am going to go check. Mr. Hunter. That's not too far away. I can deal with that. I need as many ice rounds as possible. I'm assuming this car you're talking about, yes? You're down. You are right! Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Another zombie will break a car door in the next sequence. When he do, check the car as well. Okay, I'll do that, yes. And I know which car you're talking about, yeah. Thank you. Nice, doggy. Be good. There's gonna be a zombie. There's gonna be Nemesis again here. Let's go. Stars.
Stars.
That voice. The best Nemi voice. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. Is he gonna chase me here as well? This is the one you were talking about, yeah? Nice! That means... Oh, thank you so much, Heavy! That means that... Combine... Grenade rounds. Wait. Acid rounds. Was it C? Wasn't it C that I got? C plus grenade didn't make... I'm confused now. I'm so confused. I thought C plus grenade rounds. Oh, I don't know. Made freeze rounds. Isn't that how I made them earlier? I don't know. I need to study. B makes acid. So what did I find? B? I thought I found C. Oh, I don't know. I'm confused now. Does anybody know what this worm is called? No, no, no! Oh no. There we go. And we're done. Let's go. With grenades, I just checked the color of the bottle. Gravedigger. Interesting. I was just gonna make a joke, to be honest with you, but I forgot to make the joke. I just thought I had the question, I forgot to make the joke. I said I was gonna. I was gonna say it's called the Anal Destroyer. Oh man. Oh, come on, game, don't do this. It looks like we're ready to go.
Looks like we're ready to go. Here, take this.
What did he give me? Flame rounds! I don't want flame rounds. That's fine. I'm not gonna complain. Let's go.
Okay. Nikolai won't be joining us.
I understand. I'll operate the cable car. Let's go.
I'll operate the cable car. I was saying the anal destroyer.
No, don't come any closer. Stay away.
Let's go. I love this cutscene, the upcoming cutscene. It's looking good.
It's looking good. Mikhail!
Alright, let's go. I love this cutscene.
Mikhail!
Jill, get out of the cable car now!
Mikhail, wait, don't!
Get out of here! Hurry!
It's sad when you think about it. Mikhail's sacrifice was for nothing.
No! The brakes are out!
Jump out of the window, use the emergency brake. I forgot what to do. Jump out of the window.
It's useless.
Yeah, this is where I wanted to be, yeah. Because, this is why. This is why. Oh, come on, man. Mikhail died to save the Jill sandwich. Exactly. Let's get rid of them. Alright. So, let's try again. Let's try again. B. The menu is confusing me, the fact that. And A. I combine them to make a C. Yes? Alright, we're good. Now, I combine it with grenade rounds to make ice rounds. Correct? Am I correct in saying that? I'm so confused. Correct. Let's try it. Combine with these. Alright, there we go. Yes, thank you. Hold on. Nice. C plus grenade makes freeze rounds. Man, I must have made a mistake earlier. Alright. Do I have any more grenade rounds? No. Oh, I do. Yes. Hold on. Oh, this is an empty slot. Okay. So confusing. Let's do this again. A plus B. We made C. Oh, that's right. Yes, I will. I will. That's good to know. Wow, you really know this game by heart. I used to. I can't believe. Back in the PlayStation 1 days, huh? So, hold on. Combine. Freeze rounds. Alright, there we go. Freeze rounds. Now I have 36 freeze rounds. I'm very happy. I don't think I need this now. Do I need this? Do I need the crank? I forgot. I'm gonna put these here. Sakura! Help me, please! Please help me! I play since I have even me. I played this. Well, let me see. I must have been around 13 when I played this game, and I was a master. But where's the key? Did I pick up a key? Did I put it in the box? Oh man, this menu is confusing me. No need the crank. Okay, that's good to know. Where's the key? And let's get out. Do I need... I think there's some herbs here. No. Aren't herbages? Herbage. Sweet herbage. No. I like this room. With a chest. play on PlayStation because then it scares you a lot. I've used the clock tower key. Alright, let's go.
Carlos!
Phew. Well, we both managed to survive. Maybe we can start helping each other again.
Yeah, it's been rough. But we can rest now.
No, we're the only ones
Sakura, I
left.
think
There's
Hunter was
no
joking
rest for
though.
the wicked.
I think you're serious.
Here's a gift for you.
Freeze rounds! Oh my goodness. It's like it's my birthday. I'm gonna put them back in the box. My precious. I'm happy I'm getting a lot of freeze rounds. I'm gonna use them against against Nemesis when he injures Carlos. Wait, today's your. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. My birthday is a secret. It's a secret. You will never know. Hold on. I'm getting confused now. Those go in there, and these go in there. I want to gather them together. Hold on. Like this. There we go. It's a secret. How are you, Sakura? How are you? Is there anything here? Is there something in the drawer? It's a picture. No. Probably this one's locked, probably, yes? God of Time, Kronos. Oh, wow! Of course, it snows well over there, eh? We here in Malta, we have no idea what snow is. We don't know what snow is in Malta. What is this? Oh, clock tower map, whatever. Anything else on the floor? Still snowing, wow. We know what it is. It's like we don't know what it means. We haven't experienced it in Malta. Never. Never, ever, ever. Snow hype. McKnight is just like me. I like to hype everything. Hashtag anything hype. No, that's what I'm trying to say, Sakura. We don't know what snow is in Malta. We've never experienced it. Completely. Nothing. Nada. No snow in Malta. Ever. The closest thing we got to snow was it snowed for like 5 minutes. But it didn't stay long enough on the ground, you know, to stay there. It melted right away. But that's it. Vloggy hype. Hype hype. Pipe hype. Pipe hype. Anyway, so no. I've experienced snow when I was in... when I went to... Hold on, let me get rid of these guys. Oh, man. There we go, out. 5 minutes, a quickie snow. Yeah, probably less than 5 minutes. But yeah, we never had snow in Malta. I experienced snow when I went to Canada. I went to Vancouver. We went up a mountain and I experienced minus 13 snow. And that's not good. Yeah, I know it snows in the UK. I was in London in November, but oops, spooders. Wasting time. Ouch, 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 run. What else? I went to Amsterdam and it snowed in Amsterdam. I experienced snow in Amsterdam. No, not this one. This one. Oh, seriously? All right. No, not last November, the one before. Yes. She lives far away from London, so it's not like... I told Amy, I told her, what's the option? I come over? Or would you rather come over? And she's like, I'll come over. And she's coming over. I think. I don't know. Go tell her. Go annoy her. Go tell her. Go visit Loggy. Alright, so. I need more sea powder now. I'm not gonna fail the music box. I have a very good ear for music. Okay? Okay? Hold on. I don't have any more... Yes, I do. But it's not gonna work, is it? BB. I'm so confused. Hold on. I need help. Hey, Brandon Glover, welcome. Nice to see you. It's so easy. Yes, it is easy. I'm confused. How can I make more AA and BB? Don't make... What's a disorganized box? But no, Sakura, honestly, look what's going on with my menu. You see, I got an empty slot on the right-hand side. The menu is messed up. All right, so look, I'm placing stuff in the box and it stays there. What's going on? This is empty. Empty. There's gunpowder. There's one powder that I haven't put in. So that's the thing. It's confused. The menu more than I am. There we go. Oh, hold on. Anti-aging. That's me. I never age. Yes. It's not PC, it's a badly emulated GameCube version, and it's a bit... It's bugging the items, as Hunter is saying. Move it up or down? Hold on. That's good. Next. That's not it. Next. That's next. That's next. We're done. Watch and learn. In your face. In your face. Na, 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 na. You're welcome, guys. I just gave you a nice song. Let's go. Chronos Chain. I'm so good. So, Chronos Chain combined with this. We're good. That was fast. I'm so good. I am so good. I'm telling you. It's a me, Mario. Oh, PS2 is different. There's... What? There's this game on PS2 as well. This game came out on PS2 as well. No. Don't tell me that. Now I'm gonna use my favorite one. Use the cord. This is my favorite one. I love electrocuting stuff. Enjoy, Nemi. I have a great time. It's been 20 years, though. I can't remember that much. No, I don't think there is a PS2 version of this one. No, this is PS... Oh man, he's up again! He's up again! But I have a great time, do you? Philly! More hot peppers. my butt more hot peppers. Actually, since that stream, I've actually continued consuming those peppers. The day I cooked with them, I made some sweet pasta. Hot peppers when I hit 2k subs. Hot peppers when I hit 2k subs. I'm not touching more peppers. Hold on. Okay, hold on a sec. Oh, do I have enough space? Yes, I have 3. That's good. Yes, PS1, PC, Dreamcast, and GameCube. That's right. Yes, that's right. Levy knows. But hot peppers make you look even hotter. I got the pun, Sakura. I got the pun. Sorry with the delay, but I'm concentrating right now because this puzzle. So it's 5 o'clock. It starts as 5 o'clock. You're not gonna understand what's going on in chat now. Sorry. So if it's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, COA. Alright, COA. So, C. O. And A. Thank you, Nightbot. 308. No, COA. There we go. You have no idea how much time I used to spend on this puzzle. But no longer! Let's go. Hang on, these guys. Nothing? Oh. I love this part. Look at this. See here, Call of Duty. No, that's COD though. Look at this, look at this. Oh, I need to pick these up. Like, I'm gonna push this. I'm so weak. God dang it. I love the way she kicks it. God dang it. Let's go. 308. What did I say? 308? COA? COA. No. What? Go away, Spooders. Go away, Spooder, man. Is there anything here? Grenade rounds. Thank you very much. Alright, out. Call of Astronauts. Oh, man. Hold on a sec. I need to be ready now. Dario. I have no idea who Dario is, actually. You keep mentioning Dario. I have no idea who Dario is. There's a story I'm missing, eh? Probably I'm not reading the files, and... Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use the grenade. I'm gonna use the ice rounds now. Okay? Are we ready? But first, I'm gonna use up. Oh, come on. Where's the grenade launcher? Did I pick up the grenade launcher? There it is. I'm gonna use up those 6 first, and then... Hey, ORTLT Pro! Welcome! Alright. So... We're good. We're good. The fat guy in the beginning of... Oh, that's Dario, the fat guy in the beginning. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. How do you know it's his daughter, then? How do you know it's his daughter, then? Oh, man, I need to go through this game and read everything. The fat coward dude. But by the way, again, those that missed it, I said earlier, the guy who voiced Dario died this week. Poor guy. Rip. Fat coward dude. Up we go. So I decided, yes, there's a file that, okay, tells us. I knew it. We're gonna play all the Resident Evils. I'm gonna try. There's way too many though. And Resident Evil comes out on the 24th, Resident Evil 7. I might get it before. There's a very good chance I'll be playing it today week. I'll probably be playing it. Samurai Shell, boo! So, this goes in there. I'm gonna equip this already. Alright, okay, I got it. Wait, what? What, Sakura? What? Because I said I'd be playing it probably today week. Probably. Even Friday. I might get it on Friday. Usually when it's a Tuesday release, I get it on a Friday. Probably. We'll see. We shall see. Marco Campo, welcome! He's thinking hard. Think all you want. Julian's lurking. Look at this. Look at this. Everyone thinking, lurking. Sakura asking questions. Shh. Cutscene, guys. Shut up, guys.
You're saved.
Down here!
It's finally over.
No!
I like that roar he makes, like. Oh, Nemesis, you're gonna get it. You are gonna get it. He's like, let me inject you. He's gonna eat freeze rounds, but first I'm gonna give him 6 grenades, huh? Okay. What the? Seriously? Wow. You know what? I'm not gonna trust myself. Really? There's only one left. Real quick. I'm gonna switch again to this one. Combine once again. Please, Logie, don't die here. People are watching. Here we go. My heart is actually pounding. Okay, bro, no problem. Take care. Thank you for stopping by. I didn't die. I hope you're satisfied, Magnite. I hope you're satisfied. I have died here a couple of times before, huh? So, yeah. Julian. Oh no, I died anyway.
Jill! Jill! Hang in there! What have I done? I'm sorry, Jill. Please,
Thank you,
wake up! Jill! Jill!
Jill!
October 1st, night. I woke up to the sound of
Now this
falling
takes
rain.
place after Resident Evil 2.
I can't believe I'm still alive. Carlos?
It looks like our roles have been reversed from when we originally met, huh? Don't worry, Jill. This chapel is safe.
I've been infected by the virus, haven't I?
Hey! Take
And
it
if Resident Evil
easy.
say they hang
I'm
in there.
okay.
Really? I never
Feel
noticed.
any pain, but that's what bothers me.
Like in Family
if I
Guy.
can't feel anything,
In every
then what
episode
does
they will
that
say, what the
mean?
hell?
Don't give up, Jill.
Do
I'll
it.
take care
Watch
of you.
every episode of Family Guy.
Whatever
In
you
every
do,
episode of
don't
Family
let
Guy,
that
he will
virus
say,
beat you.
someone will say, what the hell? It's interesting. I should be okay. So the hunters in this game are actually gamma hunters as well, the frog ones. Because I was reading, I mean, I was telling True how much I love the gamma hunters, and I was reading about them on Wiki. And it says they appear in Outbreak and Resident Evil 3. I'm like, what? They don't look like gamma hunters and the ones in Resident Evil 3. So that was my chance to, that's my chance to look at them closely. This game will definitely get a remake after Resident Evil 2 remake. Definitely. The first is the Beat Hunters. The second look like froggies on the park. And the Gamma Hunters are on the lab. They appear as Gamma. They appear to Gamma as well. Okay. Interesting. The ones in the park then are the Gamma ones. Okay. I'll keep an eye out. No Spooder. Come on, Zamba. There we go. This guy's gonna get it with the machine gun. Hold on a sec. I have a handgun. Why am I using that? Raccoon Hospital, the one from Outbreak. Oh my goodness, how much I hate the Raccoon Hospital from Resident Evil Outbreak. Oh my god, it's the same hospital, but my goodness, you get to open new areas. And there's this leech guy. So scary. Oh, there they are. Look, these are not Gamma. They don't look like frogs. Oh wow. He hurt me. There's another one. Even the music in this hospital is amazing. It's the same music that they use in Outbreak as well. We're good. The audio crackles a little bit, doesn't it? It's not my fault.
There also appears to be a slight fracture in his right arm just below the elbow. However,
I forgot which floor. B3? I forgot. I completely forgot. I think I got the wrong door. Not so sure. What? Sakura!
I had no
He scared me.
idea another guinea pig was still alive.
What are you doing? Have you lost your mind?
Sometimes it's easy to forget one's loyalties. Just like that traitor.
You mean the guy who shot you?
Yeah, you know him. The one with the gray hair and the ugly mug. I can't believe he had the guts to shoot me. That traitor!
You mean Nikolai?
Ah!
I've never seen this cutscene before. He caught me off guard. Never seen this before. Ever. Never ever. So these are the Gamma Hunters, yes? Let me see. They are, yes. They are. Uh-huh. They're not unknown. They're the Gamma Hunters. So. Oh no. Oh no, I don't have the medium base. Fourth floor I need to go. So these are gonna come out now, yes? Ah, there it is. There's the medium base. Okay. I missed it. Let me see if I remember this by heart. 1 and 3. And B. No, it's not. Maybe it's A then? There we go. It was A. I went for B. Vaccine medium. I'm not done, yes? I need to go to the 4th floor now. So these are the hunters. I never noticed the difference. Now I see them. Now I noticed, now I see the difference. Before I never cared. To me they were all hunters, the same. Do they make the same noises, the same cries? I wonder. Fourth floor. Wow, so familiar with Outbreak. Uh-oh. These are not Gamma Hunters. Nice. Ah, interesting. Okay, yeah, that's right. I remember him blowing himself up here. In this area, yes, I remember it. And Nikolai jumps out of this window. Yeah, I remember that, yeah. We're done here. Oh my goodness, the Leechman. We spent all summer running away from him being true. It was hilarious. Now then, I need to figure out where to push the little thing. Whatever it is. You're alive, aren't you? No. Oh, okay. What about you? Are you gonna get up? No? Look how messy it is. Alright, so if this is on this side, it means it needs to be opposite. Yeah, the mirror side, kind of. Where's 5, 2, 3. Yeah, I got it, Levy. I got it. Thank you. So I think it needs to be mirrored. I'm assuming that if it was on that side, it needs to be on this side, yes? I'm assuming it needs to be on this side here. I think. Let's see. What is this thing anyway? It's like a drawer? Let's see if I'm wrong. I'm assuming that needs to be mirrored. Let's see. Am I gonna take a shock? No, there it is. Mirror. We said 523 or 253. What was it? 2, 5, 3. There we go. We are out of here. Combine. Vaccine base combined with this. Now I have the vaccine. We are out. Out. Music is so good here, but it crackles a lot. Stupid emulator. First floor. Let's go. In your face. The vaccine for the Jill sandwich. Yes, indeed. We're almost there. I still haven't saved once, huh? I thought I should let you guys know. Run, Forrest, run! That was all, Nikolai, eh? There was a hospital here, but it's gone now. I love that. I'm sure there was a hospital here, but it's gone now. I like it. It's funny. I find it very funny. Nah, the Leechman was fried before outbreak taking place before this moment though. No, no. No, no, get out of here. Get out of my life, please. Phew. Carlos is Brazilian. I kind of figured, probably, yeah. I assumed he was something. I love the way he comes in. Nemesis. Why is he after Carlos anyway? Isn't he after stars? So as I was saying, I plan on making my streams now last 6 hours or more. Except for this one probably, because this one it's not gonna be that long. Nah, I won't fight. There's no need to fight Nemesis. There's no need. Lower your volumes, guys.
Hey, are you okay?
Yes. Barely. What's going on?
No way! That monster just doesn't give up!
What? I thought we killed that thing.
No, it's been waiting for you!
Ragnite.
He's playing with us. Carlos, do you think that it's unstoppable?
No, I don't think so. I'm sorry, Jill, but I've got to go take care of a few things. Oh, and
I think
bad
that
news.
Nightbot got offended.
Nikolai's still alive.
Nikolai? Are you sure?
Yes. I don't know how, but I do know that he is our enemy. Remember, don't trust him.
Let's go. So, I think we're good. Now I just need to. Oh, I need the lockpick. Well, I'll get it from the next room. Hold on. No, I need the lockpick. I think the word sex is blacklisted. I'm not so sure. I need to revise the words that Nightbot is offended with. I need to revise the words. Let's go. He's gonna think it's a website now, S.Dot. Nightbot's gonna think it's a website. Okay, so it's goodbye Clock Tower, we're done here. Ooh, zombies! Is there any more powder? No! That's fine. I forgive you, game. Put these back now. And I don't think I'll need this anymore. I don't need you anymore. How many? I have 24. What about the other Magnum? Where is it? I'm gonna carry this with me. I have 4 rounds. You need to make an eyeball command for. Ooh, you touch my tralala. It's true. It's true. How can I do this? Look! I don't believe this is a vloggy stream. What do you mean, Barry? What do you mean? What do you mean? All right, Barry, can you do me a favor? Can you set up a command? Can we set up a Nightbot command? Whenever somebody appears. No, you can't do it, eh? Whenever a username. No. How can we do it? How can we do it? All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Can we set up a Nightbot command each time somebody says Swalby? Swalby. Not the command with the exclamation Swalby, just the word Swalby. Whoever says Swalby, can we do that? Ooh, you touch my tralala. Can we do that? Can you do that for me, Barry? Or I'll do it myself. It's too much hassle. Hey, Dada. Welcome. The stream seems to have low latency. That seems very... That doesn't seem... Go away, Barry. Go away. Go away. I'm playing Resident Evil 3. I'm not gonna help you. You're gonna figure this one out on your own. Alright? Turbo zombie! Come, Swalby. Oh, you touched my tra-la-la. I think it's good. Let's try it. Somebody say Swalby in chat. But I think it has to be... Can you do it? I need to do it myself though. So that not just mods that say it. I wanted that not just... Hold on, which way? I forgot. Is it this way? Yeah, it's this way. It has to be this way. Swalby, sure is cool. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la, my ding-ding-dong. That's so good! That's so good. But we need to make sure that when somebody's... Not just mods say that, whenever anyone says it, you know? That's so good, thank you. Sam! Proto Sam, welcome buddy. Nice to see you. No, we need to make sure. It's not exclamation Swalby, just Swalby. Just Swalby. Somebody just say Swalby in chat. Somebody who's not a mod though. So when he comes in and people greet him, everybody says, you touch my tra-la-la. No, it didn't work. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. Good one. Nice one. I'm happy now. I'm happy. Here we go. I'm having a great day, yeah, I suppose. I'm playing some games, having a drink, having a few laughs with people in chat. I don't think I can ask for anything more. Is it good interesting or bad interesting, Sam? I hope it's good interesting. I remember I need to make a run for it here. Am I correct? Am I correct? Okay. No! Go away! Go away! Stay away from me! Ooh. There we go. No! No! What? Oh no! I failed. I make a fail. Alright then. Alright, gather up. Playing weird. I hope it's not bad though. I like weird to be honest with you, but it depends. It depends what kind of weird. Sam totally nice. Whoa, you say that? You think so? You think so? I would love to have a race with Sam one day. A Resident Evil 2 race. I think he will, but I don't think he'll totally shit on my speedrun. I think he'll beat me, but by a few minutes, but not... Whoa, run. I don't think so. Yeah, Barry, if you think Sam's better than me, then, then ask him to backseat you in your next stream. Bye, have a great time. An hour and 16 minutes. Hey, hold on. Okay, when I stream, all right, I like to watch all the cutscenes. All right, I never skip anything. It's just, you know, it's just because I enjoy the cutscenes. You know, so that's against me. No, I don't think I ever did 1 hour 16. But, oh look, herbages. There's a glitch in the graveyard that can make zombie become invisible. Really? I'll look that up. I will look that up. I got a phone from this lady named Mia, and she said she was. Let me guess, Sam. She asked for money. She needs money to get rid of the ghosts or something. Because it's either that or she said 7 days. You're gonna die in 7. I'm kidding. No, but. So the keys are here. I am very rusty at this game. Very, very rusty. I got 2 shots. There's gonna be another one. Ooh, nice. These are Gamma Hunters, I can see the mouth. Yeah. He's probably a Nigerian prince who needs a small loan of $1 million within 7 days. No. Hold on. That was close. I was gonna try to get him while he's jumping, but I failed. Vlog, you better shape up for this one as well. I'm gonna sing this. Vloggy, you better shape up for this one as well. There's the key. There's the key. This umbrella guy was holding it. Thank you. Wait, Sam, seriously, Sam, are you making a joke right now with the Jack Baker? You are making a joke right now, yeah? Because if I got that call and she said Jack Baker in a house, kidnapped, come help. Hold on, now I'm getting it. She said her name is Mia in Louisiana. Oh, now I got it. Wait, you're kidding? You're making a reference, right? You're making a reference, are you now? You're just kidding now, right? If that really happened to you and you're not getting it, that it's a joke, it's a joke. You get it, right? Now I'm getting it. It took me a while. Took me a while. The name Jack Baker triggered my memory. Go away, snakes, or whatever you are. Go eat berry. We're doing this. I'm quite impressed you've managed to stay alive up until now. Listen to him, he's gonna say it very soon. Hold on. He grabbed my... Tra-la-la. Go away! You're reserved for Yon. No, but he's gonna say it. Listen, he's gonna say, I'm quite impressed you've managed to stay alive up until now. No, they're not. No, they're different. They're different. They are different. They are different tours. Oh! Hold on. I need... Alright, I got one of those. And one of those. Thank you. Combine. I need to do this carefully, because if I mess up, Levy will laugh at me. And I can't afford to be laughed at. So then, Do I have another red herb? Yes. What? Okay. You go in there. Thank you. Wait a minute. Red herb. Combine. Alright. And I'll be back. The menu's very messed up in this ROM. It's annoying me, but there's nothing I can do. How's Wednesday looking, Vloggy? Have an idea yet? My Wednesday, definitely busy. Definitely busy. I can't think of anything, but I definitely have something on Wednesday. I just can't remember right now. I've had a drink or two. Wednesday. What am I doing on Wednesday? Oh, I have something for sure. I have a busy week coming up. A plus B equals C. Then A plus B equals C, and A plus B equals C. That's the same thing, right? And then C plus C equals freeze. C plus C equals freeze. All right, so C plus C. All right, we're gonna do this. As busy as a Maltese prince, it seems. Hold on, I was gonna make a mistake again. Combine. C plus C. Combine. Did I do it? What am I doing wrong now? Reloading tool. Combine. There we go. I've got 22 more. Nice. I'm so happy now. I have a total of... Where are they? Where are they? There they are. 43 plus 22. I am very happy. In fact, I am so happy that I am going to reload them now. I like that. Combine. I have 65. My grenade launcher is unbeatable, okay? And while I'm here, actually... no, this goes in there. I think we are good. Are we? You know what? Let's not take any chances. Let's not take any chances. Let's not take any chances. Let's go. I will let you know about Wednesday. I don't think I'm free, but I'll let you know. I shall let you know. Oh, I need the lighter. Cheryl, welcome back. C plus C is Magnum rounds. Yes, I know that. Yeah, I know that. That I remember. C plus C Magnum rounds. Hey Barry, stop making the viewers feel bad. Come on, be nice. Discard it. Yes. Be nice. Come on, Barry. Come on. Don't make me come get you. Let's go. Listen to it. He's gonna say it. I'm quite impressed you've managed to stay alive up until now. Listen to him. He's gonna say it. He's gonna say it. I'm quite impressed you've managed to stay alive up until now. Listen to it. Listen to it. What? Oh no, on the way out. He says it on the way out. Sorry. He says it on the way out. Oh, such a noob. I think this guy has something. Do you have something for me? No. I'm not gonna pick up anything because ooh, grenade rounds. Thank you very much. Levy, what works against the worm? You told me and I forgot. Is it the acid rounds? I think you told me it's the acid rounds, is it?
All supervisors, mission terminated. Return immediately. Repeat. All supervisors return immediately. Over.
Okay, he's gonna say it now. I'm quite impressed you managed to stay alive up until now. Listen. Shh. Acid rounds. I'll keep that in mind.
I'm quite impressed you've managed to stay alive up until now.
And you seem to be doing a pretty good job of looking out for yourself. How about helping out?
I have no intention of helping you.
Because we're nothing but pawns in all this?
In a manner of speaking, you are. Our employers wanted a detailed analysis of the zombie beings which were created through infection by the T-virus.
You're saying that they deliberately sent in a military unit to be butchered by their creations?
Not exactly. Although the conditions encountered on this operation were extreme, it was an unexpected outcome that the team would be wiped out. We were only required to collect live data from the subjects. Another mutant!
Another mutant! No, it's not way off. It's really good. It's excellent. It's spot on. My accent is... I'm gonna get the acid rounds. I'm gonna get the acid rounds. I changed my mind. Here's what we're gonna do. I have acid rounds, and I'm going to change them with where is this? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Grenade launcher. Combine. There we go. There we go. We're good now. I think 15 grenade rounds, acid rounds are gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. This is where I died last time I played this, last summer. So this is why I hesitated going on hard mode. This is the reason why I didn't go on hard mode.
What's going on? Whoa! What was that?
Yeah, last time I attempted this game was in summer. Wow, I'm down to 5 already? Whoa. He dead? You see, I remember there was a way I could trigger these lampposts to give him an electric shock or something, but I don't know how. I don't know how I did it. I don't think it works like that because you put a full stop after Swalby, so it needs to be just Swalby, right? Probably. I don't think it was easy, to be honest with you, Ahmed. I think it was tough. Run! It won't do the command, I think. I think Nightbot died. He got offended. You see, he offended 2 of my people now. He offended my Nightbot. Not offended. What's the word? You made you feel bad. You made Nightbot feel bad and Cheryl. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Dodge, dodge. Oh, no, I didn't dodge. Ooh. Sometimes you get zombies, sometimes you get hunters here. This is my favorite command of my Nightbot. My Nightbot. Let me try it. Hold on. See if it works. Oh, come on. Let's see if it works. Alright, sorry. I tried to do a command that didn't work. Hey, Juan, welcome. Some welcome that Barry gave you. He banned you and unbanned you. Barry is an excellent mod. Kappa. We're almost there. We're almost there. Does this guy have anything in his hand? Do you have anything? Oh, he does. Oh, nice. Give me. Let's go. Barry banned you for a second. No, his fingers slipped apparently. It's one of my favorite parts of the game now. Coming up.
No!
Stars.
It's fine. Yeah, I mean, I do prefer English only chat, but sometimes I let it slip. Don't feel bad, Cheryl. He blacklisted me too in his heart. So don't worry. I know the feeling.
Carlos.
Jill, listen very carefully. They're planning on launching a missile directly into the city as soon as day breaks. The explosion will be powerful enough to destroy everything.
Are you sure about that?
Positive. I heard it straight from a supervisor.
They'll go this far to cover their tracks?
Come on, we have to hurry. There isn't much time left.
Okay, so I've just been thinking about the explosion that blows up Raccoon City. The video at the end is not as impressive as it is in Outbreak. Facility key, spray, putting the spray there. Facility key, I'll keep that. The grenade launcher goes in there for now. Even these can go in here for now. Nightbot's not working. let me see if I can restart Nightbot perhaps. Sometimes he gets offended. Nightbot, come back, my friend. You see, I have to click join channel again. Why did I have to click join channel again? Why? Why? Let's try again. This is my favorite command, by the way. Alright, we're good. What's in this room? I have no idea. There is a trick I would like to try here. Oh, I want to try this. Let's see. Hold on. No. How do they do it? Maybe. There it is. Wow. Look at that. I managed to pull it off too. I did it. There he is. He woke up. Nightbot woke up now. He's like, okay, I wake up now. Does the elevator work though? Or I need a card. Yeah, I watched Sniper Cat do that many times. No, no, that's the room I wanted to go. There we go. Your name is blacklisted. No. No, it's not. It's one of my favorite areas in the game. The music, the atmosphere. Oh, the gun is empty. Nice. Barry and his yogurt. I'd rather use herbs than first aid sprays, so... push the button. Ah! Oh, seriously? Oh, seriously? Let's go. Oh, whoa, another one? Oh, you freaking kidding me? Oh, these guys again. No, I haven't saved one. No. I refuse to save. What is this? Ah, the water sample, yes. Now, I'm not gonna save. I am not going to save. I have no intention of saving. Let's go. Yeah, you tell him. You tell him. You tell him that. You tell him that. You tell him one. More of these! Oh yes, they touch my tra-la-la. But I can't. Oh, hold on. You see, I'm learning now. I'm a certified G. What's a G? G. So we said double C makes. I should be done in 10. Nothing more. I should be done in 10. 9. Oh. You're counting down. Please don't spam because I'm about to make a command and I need I need it to stay in chat. Please don't spam. Because I'm gonna do a command and I need to see it in chat. I don't want it to go up. Alright. You're not gonna understand what's going on in chat. I'm in chat right now. So it's medium. Is it water sample or water? I forgot. I think it's water sample. I think it's water sample then. I forgot the command. Come on, Nightbot, don't fall asleep again on me. The one time I need Nightbot. The one time. You're kidding me, Nightbot. You're kidding me right now. No, it's just water. It's not water sample. It's just water. My goodness. The one time I needed Nightbot, he dies. Let's try one last time. Sorry about this. Nightbot went by. Have a great time. Alright, no problem. So this is medium. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. He woke up. Stupid. Alright, so it's medium. Medium empty. So it's left times 4. So it's medium empty. So A. Alright, I got this. So I need to move it 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then B is right twice. And C two to the left. There we go. We're good. There we go. The solution is excellent. Thank you, Nightbot. alright, I get it. What am I doing? So it's CC we said, yes, that makes acid, not acid, freeze rounds. Let's go. We're almost there. I knew it was gonna be a short stream this time. This game is short, eh? Freeze rounds. Oh my goodness, the image didn't change and I panicked for a sec. Like, what? I have 91 freeze rounds. Come at me, bro. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. We're good to go. And I don't need this anymore. I don't need you anymore. G launcher. We're good to go. Combine. There we go. Let us go now. Actually, you know what? Go, come on. The stupid. Oh man, they're back. I still have the key. I don't know what the key is for though. But
You're still wandering around.
Nikolai? So, you want to get out of here alone? Is that your plan?
I made certain none of the other supervisors survived. Since I'll be the only one who knows what really happened, I'll have more bargaining power when it comes to discussing my bonus.
Then why kill me? I'm not on their payroll.
They want you eliminated for reasons of their own. The amount is modest, but there is a reward to be claimed upon the confirmation of your death.
That's great. Except I have no intention of contributing to your retirement fund.
Nemesis Matrix. Let us go. Let us go. Oh. Alright, nothing here. It seems to be a part of the electrical equipment. There is nothing suspicious about it. Okay. The other side, look. Uh-oh. What? What? What do I do? What? What did I miss? Yeah, I require an ammo disc. I don't remember where you get the ammo disc though. I don't remember. Ah! Oh no, I wasted one of these. This was my gun of choice. Hold on, confused now. This is electronically locked. Hold on. But it requires a card. Yes? Okay. Wow, I'm confused for the first time in this game now. Oh yeah, up we go. Because it's not. What? Oh come on, really? Where's the card? I need an ammo disc. I missed an ammo disc somewhere. Seeing you talk like Nikolai make me wonder if there is a mod to play as him. I'm sure there is. I'm sure there is. You gave me an idea. You gave me an idea. I don't know where the card is. Where the ammo disc? I need the ammo disc. Where is the ammo disc? Where is the ammo disc? I don't remember where the ammo. There it is. We still call it ammo disc, even though it's not. Come check. It seems to be as used to release. Doesn't say ammo disc, but we still call it an ammo disc. Is there a controller? Yeah, found it, Sailor Marson. Welcome back. You know, if it were up to me right now, I would restart the game and play it again one more time. But I wouldn't because I have to wake up early tomorrow. So let's go. You are still wandering around. There we go. I love this music. Listen to this music.
Warning. Proceeding with operation in treatment room. Please evacuate immediately.
The music is fantastic.
Stars.
Sorry if the audio is laggy, it's just that the emulator. The ROM actually, not the emulator.
Stars.
You know what? I'm gonna use this first. It's so powerful that the game is lagging. Wow, it's really lagging. Let's get rid of this part. Wow, it's really lagging badly. There we go. Sorry about that. Should be fine now again. I think. Maybe it's just this room. I don't know. It was lagging badly. Hey, thank you for the sub, Chris. Thank you so much. this sound.
Warning. Missile attack confirmed. All personnel evacuate immediately.
It's funny you're asking me, Cher. Like, I don't know. Barry, where are you? You like that, Chris? There he is. Just got back from getting tea. Who drinks tea at midnight? Well, I guess Barry does. Hold on. Where do I go from here? Oh, I have the card now. Look, naked zombies. Boom! 3 at one go. Oopsie. So good. Barry goes to Central City. Run, Barry, run! We might come and stroll up. I don't know, I don't feel like strolling up. I'm playing a game. I don't feel like scrolling up. Sorry! There's more naked zombies. Take that. Pow! Ooh. No! No, this reload thing is amazing, huh? It's always... Nice, huh? GG, Mr. Zomb. But you didn't damage me, so joke's on you, sucker. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I love Resident Evil. I love Resident Evil. I'm not gonna say my channel is dedicated to Resident Evil because it's not. I play a lot of other games. But I'm having a Resident Evil month this month because of Resident Evil 7. I'm trying to play as many Resident Evil games as possible, starting from the beginning all the way to the end. We'll see how far I can get. But man, this audio.
If you hear this transmission, respond immediately.
Here, what's up?
I got us a ride. The char engines are running and ready to go.
My way.
The city's about to become ground zero. Hurry up! And don't forget to take that device with you.
What does it do?
That device tracks the distance of the approaching missile. Make sure you bring it with you. Now listen to me. Don't give up. We're both gonna just over here.
It's not the game, it's the audio of the transmission right now. It's the transmission. Alright. If you collect all the files in game, you access VIP torrent with Jill, naked. And I'm taking you seriously.
Warning. Missile attack confirmed. Warning. Missile attack confirmed. Missile D. All personnel evacuate immediately.
It's amazing how it's having a hard time. The emulators. It's annoying me, but you do get an extra epilogue. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Let's go. Come on. Oh, come on. This. You're doing this, really? Come on. Oh, there's a picture. Did you guys see that? I missed it. There was a Mr. X on the left-hand side of the screen. We missed it. Chicken system. Chicken battery. I want to show you something real quick. I know time is cooking, but hang on. Look at this. This is a tyrant. Look at this. It's a tyrant. This is one of the Umbrella's deadly bioweapons. I like it that they referenced it. But he's dead. It's a dead tyrant. There's also a rocket launcher here. But anyway. Chicken system. Chicken battery.
Chicken battery. Activate the system.
Man, the simulator. It's not the emulator, it's the ROM. I need to... Next time, I will investigate. No, it's not the same level from Resident Evil 1, Barry. Just because you played an RE game doesn't mean you know all the places. Come on, Barry. Man, the audio's annoying me. That is Nemesis. Look how he ended up. I will give him stars, Levy, for you. Come on, push! I went with this version, with the GameCube version, because it looks neater, as you know, Sam. You were the one who told me. But the audio, I don't know, the audio is annoying me. I think next time I prefer going for the PlayStation version with less graphics and at least the audio working fine.
Executing quick charge program. Preparing to fire.
Now then. Oh, I walked right into that, but I'm good. Jump down, buddy. Jump down. Oh, come on, not now. Not like this. I love the sound it makes the machine.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
I think Mars is good as much as I am with Resident Evil games, sometimes even more. So it depends which games, really.
3, 2, 1, fire.
Crap, this guy is not gonna die. And I think I have healing. I have healage. We're good. Get me.
4, 3, 2, 1, fire.
Crap, it keeps missing. Dang it! One danger. It missed again, seriously? What the heck? Why is it missing? goodness, seriously? With this? Oh my god! Get out of my way! Oh my goodness, that took forever.
Warning. System overheating.
Yeah, I know I could have shot him with the guns. I wanted to see if I can just kill him completely without shooting one once, you know? Barry, keep that up, you're gonna lose your edge. I'm serious. I don't like that.
You want stars? I'll give you stars.
You're being mean, Barry. You're being mean. I gave him stars. I did laugh at you, but I didn't want you to die. I didn't want you to fail. If I died, I would have been 3 hours and a half down the drain. Because I didn't even save once. Oh, you touch my tra-la-la, Nemesis. Yeah, we did it! Look how close the meteor is. Oh, not meteor, the missile. Somebody was here at the beginning of the stream, but I think maybe he's streaming, I don't know.
All right then, we're out of here.
I love Raccoon City getting destroyed.
Oh no.
It's here. It's time to go.
I'm still not completely satisfied because I went on easy mode. I want to say my mistake because I don't know. I don't think it was going to be that easy on easy mode.
That's it. I've had it.
What do you mean you guess, Mars? What do you mean you guess?
And now we have a rather unfortunate turn of events. It seems that the President and the Federal Council have passed judgment over the civilians of Raccoon City. The President and Federal Council have ruled that the Bacillus Terminate operation is the best course of action for this extreme situation, and have since executed. Based on that fact, Raccoon City has been literally wiped off the map. Current reports have the death toll surpassing the 100,000 mark. Our hearts go out to those poor civilians of Raccoon City.
I'm definitely getting an A rank. I think. I hope. I used to first aid sprays by mistake though. I don't know if that makes a difference. what I'm gonna do next time is I'm gonna play this on the PlayStation and use Game Shark codes to play as Nikolai, and I'll play it on hard mode as well. Look, the RPD getting destroyed. My favorite. So that's what I'll do next time, yes. Hard mode, and I'll play it. I will play as Nikolai. I actually like this music. It's cool. It's soothing. They have great soundtrack. Oh, yesterday I listened to the soundtrack of Resident Evil 7. I know I'm probably spoiling a lot of the game, but I don't care. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you so much. Perry, I think of Logie in the shower to this. I use my same joke. You recycled my joke. Next time I'll play it on hard mode. But next game I'm playing, next Resident Evil game I'm playing is Code Veronica. Oh man, I'm gonna suck at that one. Oh my goodness. I'm not looking forward to it, but if I'm not too tired tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow. We'll see. Number of saves 0, 3 hours, 5 minutes. So good. So good. Where's the A rank? Where's the A rank? Where's the A rank? You don't get an A rank in... I don't think you do. I don't think you do. Oh man. My joke. When I was on your stream. Your joke. Well, my joke. Not your joke. My joke. When I was on your stream, I told you... What did I say? I said something about thinking about you in the shower or something. I forgot. Okay, there's no rank. You see? You can play the extra game. Do you want to play an extra game? You've got the boutique and 2 costumes. What is this? Save on which memory card? What is this, guys? What is save? What is slot A? What is memory card? What do I do here? This is the hardest part of the game. Save? I don't know how to do this. Oh, no ranking on easy mode. Okay, no problem. Yeah, I am gonna do a long stream. It's gonna be probably like between 6 to 8 hours for sure. I'm dedicating 6 to 8 hours for that stream for sure. Definitely. I'm gonna need some back seating as well, huh? I'm gonna need some back seating. Maybe we can get Matt Wesker. I want to play RE4, Mars, I really do. But Code Veronica is next now. Code Veronica, chronologically, Code Veronica is actually the next game. You know? Levi mentioned Nikolai, and I want to play as Nikolai now. I want to play as Nikolai. Can I play as Nikolai? The Mercenaries. Can I play as Nikolai first of all? Let's see, games. There we go. I play as Nikolai. These soldiers have lost their edge. They have forgotten what fear and survival mean. It is time for them to remember. Yeah, the stream is gonna end. No, I'm just gonna try this. I feel like playing as Nikolai for even just for a couple of minutes.
In order to dispose of the bomb implanted in your body, you must reach the target point. Keep in mind that there will be various obstacles in your way, so do not be afraid to use whatever means necessary to reach your goal. Good luck.
What the heck? Good luck. Really? Alright, I don't know where the destination point is, but I'm gonna start running. I am playing as Nikolai. Look at this. I am playing as Nikolai. Oh, I'm being bitten by zombies. Oh, this is I have to run from here. I'm hoping for not mercenaries mode in RE7. No, seriously, I'm hoping for something extra after the game. I don't know. If I kill these zombies, I think I will earn points. Or a fat zombie for some reason. There is a fat zombie in front of me. Come on, fat zombie, go down. See, I got 3 seconds. Oh, come on! I'm gonna get points for just squishing his head. No! Yeah, 3 points. See? I am going to die for sure in this mission. Oh! No ammo! Nice! No! There we go, 27 seconds at one go. That's how it's done. Come on! Yeah, Resident Evil always got extras, yes. But I'm afraid that this... Uh-oh, gun empty. Uh-oh, I need to reach the target point. I hope there is some sort of an extra game afterwards, I don't know. All Resident Evils do, so I don't know. Dog! I'm not gonna make this. I'm just enjoying playing with Nikolai. With Nikolai. Yes, I know he's the hard mode, yes. Easy mode is Mikhail, because he has a rocket launcher, if I'm not mistaken. Nemi? I don't even know where I need to go, honestly. I'm just running. Look at the hunters. The dodging! The dodging! You see that? Oh! I get points for squishing their heads. Come on, more. I'm damaged now. Just the day I don't work, you won't stream. Oh, sorry, Juan. Take care. Thank you so much for hanging out. I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna make it. I am not going to make it. Oh. I still don't know where I need to go, so... You have to get to the very first room of the game. Ouch! In 22 seconds. That is not going to happen. The warehouse you start, yes, where Dario is. Oh, it's not gonna work. Whoa! Thank you for killing zombies for me. Come on, kill them for me. Run. I'm not gonna do it. But it's fun. It's fun. I wanted to. Okay, Philly, thank you so much for spending your break with us. Take care, buddy. He didn't make it. Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna make it. But it's nice. It's interesting. It's an interesting mode. Alright, guys. I am gonna go. It's almost 1 a.m. here. I need to get some rest. I have an early morning tomorrow. Thank you so much for hanging out, all of you. Thank you for the new subs. Thank you for your support. And for... Ah, that is how you unlock the rocket launcher in the game. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Interesting. That's how you do it then. Okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much. I look forward to see you next time when I play Resident Evil Code Veronica. Thank you, Mars. Thank you, McKnight. Thank you, Chris. McKnight, Philly. Who am I missing? There was Barry here. I don't know if he's still here. And Cheryl. And Juan. I don't know if I'm missing anyone. I'm sorry if I'm missing anyone. I should stop doing that. Mentioning everyone because somebody's always going to be like, hey, you forgot about me. I'm still watching. Anyway, I'm going to go, guys. Thank you so much. I look forward to see you next time. Take care. Bye. Have a great time. Ciao.